September 29th, year 2017. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, I have taught you many things over the years, and you have learned much as a result. Yet to have knowledge of something is one thing, and quite another to apply these teachings in one's daily life. Although each of you has been chosen to work for me, it is in the end up to each of you as to how you choose to respond. Discipline is needed in working for the divine. You must separate yourselves from that which does not allow your highest self to emerge. When you engage in those activities which create barriers to what my spirit is trying to impart, you will find yourself surrounded by that which alters your ability to respond as I would have you do. While I know it is not always possible to remove yourself from that which surrounds you, ultimately there are ways to disengage from that which is in your physical midst, seeking refuge within. Yesterday I spoke of that which will test your patience, as there will be those in your midst who will give you cause for consternation. Webster defines consternation as utter amazement or dismay that results in confusion. You must stand firm, being resolute in your response, relying on my Spirit to guide you through these troubled waters. Satan will use those who are not protected by my breastplate, those who do not have a relationship with me, to create barriers to that which is in one's highest interest. Therefore, do not belabor over those who are absorbed with self and their own agendas. Your words will fall on deaf ears, as they are unable to hear what the Spirit is saying. A relationship with me, my daughters, is a personal choice. While there are those who profess to know me, they must exercise caution lest they expose themselves to that which creates barriers to this most sacred relationship. Pray then for right understanding in the ensuing days. Allow me to assume an active role in your daily activities. When you do so, you will not be unduly taxed by those around you. I will help you see that which needs to be seen, and yes, that which is injurious to self. You cannot give, dear ones, that which you do not have. I am your source of renewal and light. Do not place conditions on that which you give, yet you must preserve that which enables you to ensure you remain faithful to that which allows your highest self to emerge. To give unconditionally requires one to love one another as our Father loves you. When you have difficulty understanding those who are in the midst of turmoil, come to me, and I will show you that which is the heart of the matter. This, then, is how you will know what is the right response. Thank you for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 96 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you in these times.